In this video, I'm going to show how to place the outer tie rods on this Ford Ranger. These are located behind your front wheels, and after this job you will need to have an alignment performed. Let's get started. With the vehicle safely raised and supported, use a 19mm socket, take off all 5 lug nuts, and pull the wheel off. Now with our wheel off, we can see the inner and outer tie rods that are locked in with this jam nut. We'll use a 21mm wrench, break this free. Even if this doesn't spin independently of the inner, as long as it spins out of the outer, we're good to go. On the knuckle side, we have a cotter pin locking in the castle nut. So with some cutters, I'm going to remove this. Take that out. Using a 22mm socket, remove this castle nut. Now using a hammer, tap the knuckle right here, and that'll break the tie rod stud free from the knuckle. There we go. Pull that out. Now we want to count the amount of turns it takes to remove the outer from the inner, so when we put it back, we can put it back the same amount of turns, and that'll get us close to how the alignment was, but of course you still need to get it aligned. "22 turns for me, it will be different for you." Apply some anti-seize inside the threads of the outer tie rod. Install the outer tie rod the same amount of turns it took to remove it. There we go. Bring the tie rod through the knuckle and press that down. Put the mounting nut on and let's snug it up. Torque this to 52 foot-pounds. Because this is a castle nut with a cotter pin, after you're done torquing, continue tightening to line up the slot no matter how close it is. Never loosen. Mine happens to line up perfectly right here, so I'm going to put my cotter pin through. And of course we'll bend it over to lock it in. Let's lock in the inner with the outer tie rod. Put the jam nut up against the outer, and we'll use that 21mm wrench, bottom it out. Get it nice and snug. And then I like to back it off a little bit so the outer tie rod isn't sitting at an angle. Let's get our wheel reinstalled. We'll put back all 5 lug nuts, bottom them out in a cross pattern, and also in a cross pattern, torque them to 100 foot-pounds. 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern, here we go. Double check them all. And there you have it. Job is done, now go get an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.